Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your Chase Bank online. So if you want to log in into your Chase Bank online, or if you want to log in into your online banking account of Chase Bank, then first thing first, you know to do check your internet connection and make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now, first of all, there are two different options. You could either use an application or you could either use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and use a web browser. So for that, I'm using a Google Chrome, and on the web address bar, type in chase.com. That's gonna direct you to the official page, and which is gonna look something like this. Now, first of all, you have to make sure that you already have an online banking account, and if you don't have an account, then you need to click on open an account located right at the bottom, and that's gonna take you to the field where you can actually go ahead and log in into your account. And once you're logged in, now begin with the login procedure. Just click on the sign in button located in the top right hand side corner, and that's gonna take you to the official page. And here you need to just provide in your username and then the password associated with your Chase Bank account, and log in into your account. So that's basically how you can log in into your Chase Bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.